What is a diphthong? A diphthong is a vowel team where your jaw glides from one vowel sound to another. In other words, a diphthong is a fancy linguistic term for two vowels that are pronounced in rapid succession. There are 3 diphthongs that are taught in accent reduction classes: ow, oi, and I. I is the most commonly used of these 3. Here's what you do to pronounce the sound I. We glide from ah, which is box shape, to e, which is where our lips are spread horizontally. Ah, e, open, closed. Remember to include the sound e in the word time. Otherwise, it will sound like Tom. In the following examples, notice how my jaw glides from one vowel ah to the next e. There are tons of idioms in English with the word time. So this is the word that we're going to use to practice the vowel sound I. Time flies. On time. Out of time. It's about time. Who's got the time? It's time for a change. Time will tell. A race against time. Time is on our side. How timely. And perfect timing.